Hi class, so itutuloy na natin ang defined benefit plan. So in the previous video, we discussed itong computation natin ng overall. So gumamit tayo ng T account, diba? Ito yung usual ginagamit natin sa pag-compute ng FVPA and PBO or DBO natin. And the difference nito, ito yung prepaid or accrued natin na benefit cost. So sabi natin, kapag tinatanong tayo ng employee benefit expense, we need to add yung net interest and also the net service cost. So, ito yon yung dalawang pag-add natin. Kapag naman OCI ang tanong, remeasurement lang. So, it pertains dun sa mga papasok sa OCI. Pag ang tanong naman is total, so kailangan mong ipag-total tong dalawa. Then, dito sa example number 2 natin, nagpakita tayo ng gain or loss on settlement. Sabi natin, ang gain or loss or settlement ay papasok sa net service cost natin and it pertains dun sa difference ng present value of defined benefit obligation versus the actual settlement. Then now, ipapakilala na natin yung ating asset ceiling. Kasi 'di ba meron tayong pumapasok dun. Kung maaalala niyo dun sa pag-compute natin, meron tayong asset ceiling na interest dito and also pumapasok siya sa remeasurement. Kasi tigta-tatlo sila kung maalala nyo. Current service cost, past service cost, gain or loss settlement, net interest, PBO, FVPA, asset ceiling, and sa remeasurement din pumapasok yung FVPA, DBO, and also the asset ceiling. So ngayon, andito na tayo sa last item natin na hindi pa natin na-discuss before. So, asset ceiling. Asset ceiling pertains to the present value of any economic benefits available. So, ito yung mga possible na economic benefits, asset siya, available in the form of refunds from the plan or reductions in future contributions to the plan. So, ito yung nakikita natin na magiging benefit natin kasi pwede siyang magkaroon ng refund, so pwedeng dumagdag pa yung fund natin or also pwede rin mabawasan yung future contributions natin. So, may tinatawag tayong asset ceiling. Ceiling is the maximum amount, kaya nga siya ceiling, di ba? Usually term natin for maximum amount. So, ito yung maximum amount na nakikita nilang future na economic benefit. So, anong impact niya neto ngayon sa ating computation? So, di ba meron tayong fair value versus projected. Then, doon natin nalalaman kung sobra o kulang ba yung fund. Usually, sa mga sample natin before is naka-accrued tayo wherein mas malaki yung PBO natin over FVPA. Pero what if mas malaki yung asset natin over the utang natin. So, meron tayong prepaid na benefit cost amounting to 1 million. The asset ceiling or the present value of available future refunds and the reductions in the future contribution is 1,200,000. So, example, ang nakaset is 1,200,000 na asset ceiling and ang ating prepaid benefit cost is 1 million. So, it does not exceed. So, pag hindi naman niya na-reach yung ceiling, okay lang yan. Walang mangyari. Therefore, a prepaid cost or surplus asset of 1 million shall be reported in the statement of financial position. So, ito na yung lalabas natin na prepaid benefit cost. Kasi hindi naman niya nag-exceed yung asset ceiling na nakaset na 1,200,000 determined by the company. So, what if naman ngayon mag-exceed? So, for example, 4,500,000 ang kanyang asset, 4 million ang kanyang expected na utang. So, meron siyang sobra sa kanyang fund na 500,000. If the asset ceiling determined at 300,000 only, so may tinatawag tayong sumobra na. Sumobra ka pa dun sa sobra, di ba? Kasi may ceiling niya. Sumobra ka. So, may effect of asset ceiling tayo na 200,000. So, let's now see anong mangyayari sa ating effect of asset ceiling. Considering that these are the data provided for the current year, meron tayong current service cost, actual return on plan assets, contribution to the plan, benefits paid, actuarial gain due to decrease in PBO, asset ceiling on December 31 of 800,000, and discount rate of 10%. So ito beginning tong asset ceiling niya 300. Pero let's say daw na at the end of the year, the asset ceiling is 800,000. So now, nagko-compute tayo. So gamitin ulit natin yung ating table. Wala tayo ng table. Kasi ganun pa rin naman eh. Madadagdagan lang na asset ceiling. Pause natin to. Okay. So, ang beginning natin na FVPA is 4,500,000. Ang beginning natin DBO or PBO is 4 million. Then, meron tayong current service cost na 900,000. Sabi natin, dumadagdag yan sa PBO as utang natin kasi ito yung actual current service cost or expense. Actual return on plan asset, ito yung pumapasok sa ating FVPA. And meron tayo later on na comparison ng actual return versus sa interest income para sa pagkuha natin kung magkano yung papasok sa OCI. Baka kasi mamaya tanongin. So, mas maganda kompletuhin na natin. So, actual return natin, 1 million. Next, contribution. Pag nag-contribute sa plan, dumadagdag 700,000. Benefits paid of 200,000 is reduction sa FBPA and reduction also sa ating PBO. The next, actuarial gain due to decrease in PBO. So, meron siyang actuarial gain. So, alam natin sa OCI ito papasok. Actuarial gain, 300,000. Also, babawas tayo dito. Actuarial gain due to decrease. So, actuarial gain decrease. So, dito, actuarial gain, 300,000. Kasi pag actuarial loss dito, kasi increase in PBO pag loss, then decrease in PBO kapag actuarial gain. Next, ano pa sabi niya? Asset ceiling. May sinabi siyang asset ceiling na 800,000 and discount rate. So ngayon, makukumpit mo na ang iyong FVPA is 6 million. That is beginning plus return plus contribution minus benefit. So ito yung ginagawa natin dati pa, di ba? So sa PBO naman, 4 million plus current service cost plus 400,000. So take note of the interest expense. Kailangan mo mag-compute na interest expense which is beginning times discount rate of 10%. So that is 400,000. So ang total nating PBO is 48. So ituloy na rin natin tong interest income. Diba? Sabi natin to compute for this, beginning FVPA times discount rate of 10%. So alam natin na meron tayong remeasurement or meron tayong difference dun sa actuarial assumption natin na 450 pero 1 million. So gain to, diba? Padagdag to ng OCI. So, ibig sabihin, kapag kinuha mo mamaya, pabawas kasi di ba naka-expense perspective tayo. So, mamaya, hindi naman pala tanongin. So, ituloy muna natin. So, ngayon, kukumpitin natin, magkano na yung ating prepaid or accrued. So, considering ng FVPA natin is 6 million, mas mataas. Diba? May kita nyo na 6 million yung pera natin, 4.8 lang yung utang natin. So, meron tayong prepaid na 1,200,000. Pero sabi niya ang asset ceiling is 800 lang. 800,000. So, magkakaroon ka na ng tinatawag na effect of asset ceiling. Yun yung difference natin ng ating prepaid versus asset ceiling natin. So, we have 400,000 effect of asset ceiling. So, ngayon, pag tinanong tayo nitong ito yung current service cost natin, ito, dito na lang. Para mas maganda. Yan. So, di ba, sabi natin, ang ating net service cost, ang pumapasok dyan is current service cost and past service cost. So, may current service cost tayo. Wala tayong past service cost. Wala rin tayong gain or loss on settlement. Then, sa net interest natin, interest from PBO natin is 400,000. Interest income from FVPA, na-compute natin kanina na 450,000. Ito na papasok yung interest from asset ceiling. So, sabi natin, ang ating asset ceiling is 400,000. So, ngayon, titignan mo ngayon yung change in the effect of asset ceiling. So, from 400,000, from 200,000 na asset ceiling, naging 400,000. So, meron tayong 200,000 na increase. So, yun yung kukumpitan natin ngayon ng ating interest from asset ceiling. So, that is 400,000 less 200,000 times discount rate of 10%. So, times 10%. So, that is 20,000. So, ngayon, ito ay interest expense. So, tama lang, naka-normal sign tayo. So, ang total natin na net interest is 850,000. And employee benefit expense of 1,750,000. Then, ngayon, punta na tayo sa remeasurement. So, ang remeasurement natin sa FVPA, so, ito yun, yung ating 550,000 napabawas. And sa DBO naman is meron tayong tinatawag kanina na actuarial gain na 300,000. Pabawas din kasi gain eh. So, expense perspective. And also dito napapasok ang ating remeasurement loss on asset ceiling, which is 180,000 coming from the 200,000 beginning minus the interest from asset ceiling of 20,000. So we have 180,000 remeasurement loss on asset ceiling. So to compute for the remeasurement loss, kailangan natin beginning, which is 200,000, yung effect of asset ceiling, minus the interest income. Interest income of 20,000 is coming from change ng effect of asset ceiling of 200,000 multiplied by 10%. So, remeasure, sabi dito, wait lang, taas natin. So, net remeasurement gain on plan asset, 550,000. Actuarial gain due to DBO, 300. So, ito tinatawag natin na net remeasurement gain, OCI of 670,000. Employee benefit expense naman daw is 870,000. Yan nakuha tayo. Employee benefit expense. So, 900 interest from FBPO. Ito, 870,000. Current service cost of 900 plus 400 less 450 less 200. Okay, yung sign ulit. Yan natin. 900 plus 400 plus 450. So this is negative 50 plus 20,000. Okay. Yan. So, ang ating net interest is kailangan natin i-net kasama si interest from asset ceiling. So, ang magiging employee benefit expense natin is 870,000. So, ngayon, yung ginagawa natin kanina na 870,000 less yung 670. So, meron tayong 200,000 na defined benefit cost. Diba? Usually, yung tinatanong yung net defined benefit cost, 200,000. Then, i-compare mo kasi sa contribution during the year. So, prepaid benefit cost during the year is 500,000. Pero, mas madali actually kung titignan mo na lang, ipag-minus mo na lang yung 6 million minus 4,800,000. Okay, so that's all for this sample. So, next tayo. So, this is about naman sa transitional provision. So, under revised PAS 19 paragraph 173, it provides that an entity shall apply the standards retrospectively. So, this means that any transitional effect of the application of the amendment under the standard shall be accounted for as adjustment of the beginning balance of RE. So, pag nagkaroon ng changes, ang i-adjust is beginning balance of RE. However, our entity may not need to adjust the carrying amount of assets for and changes in employee benefit costs that were included in the initial carrying amount of the asset. In other words, assets such as inventory and PPE that include employee benefit costs in their carrying amount do not have to be restated. So, ito yung sample natin. So, nagbigay siya dito ng unamortized past service cost, unrecognized actuarial loss. So, on January 1, the entity applied. So, ayan, gagamitin niya na yung revised PAS 19. And then, effective January 1, ang mangyayari dito is fully i-recognize natin sa profit or loss yung employee benefit expense natin, and all actuarial gains or loss are fully recognized in OCI. So, this happens if meron lang transitional provisions. Then, last, accounting question. The question is the treatment of the unamortized. So, ano daw gagawin natin sa unamortized past service cost of 400,000 and yung sa 500,000 na unrecognized actuarial loss. So, under the transitional provision, so katulad ito na kanina, the unamortized past service cost and the unrecognized actuarial loss shall be eliminated and i-adjust sa RE. So, sabi natin, yung 4 million, papasok syempre sa, ay yung lahat ng past service cost ay sa P&L, then ito sa OCI yung actuarial gain. Pero itong unamortized and unrecognized ay papasok sa ating RE. So adjustment sa RE kapag merong transitional provision. So that sums up our defined benefit plan discussion. So hopefully na-gets natin yung additional topics today, which is yung ating effect of asset ceiling and also the transitional provision. Thank you.